Alright guys, confession time. This video was filmed in the summer. It is now March. I don't know, how many months that is. That's too much time for my brain to compute on. Anyway, several months ago this was filmed, and you'll notice in this video that I mentioned that a viewer gave me this tip. Unfortunately, I cannot find that viewer. If you are that viewer, please comment below and I would be 100% happy to mention you and give you a shout out in my next video. I apologize. I've looked through Instagram, I've looked through all my YouTube stuff. I can't find it, and I apologize. I'd love to give you a shout out, so put your name down below and I shall do so. Thank you guys very much for watching. So I recently had a viewer post a tip down in the comments. I was talking about, I don't know, I think in the video I said something about how expensive these stupid knobs are for the climate control. Anyway, he posted that the first gen Taurus knobs also fit these. I caroused around no first gen Taurus in the wrecking yards here. So I took to the interwebs and found 3 of these. Now, I'm taking this out of the box right now for the first. Yeah, this is some pretty new old stock Dorman pieces. They're all from the help section, help series, whatever. And the only difference that I see, well, let's see how different. Are they a lot different in size? Or? The main difference that I see is that these have the words on them, the select, the temp, and the fan. Now these are going to go in Frankie, but I just wanted to compare them to the 8.9 here. Yeah, that'll do the trick. Doesn't have words right there, but that's going to do what we want for Frankus. Since Frankies are painted, I just wanted to compare those to actual factory knobs that you can see in factory form. So let's hop over to Frankie and we will swap these out. Frankie's kind of torn apart at the moment. This is actually the one that's broke. If I remember, yes it is. So, you gotta see, where's that straight edge right there? I actually kind of like that look. So these are, that's the part number right there. This is the Dorman section. I don't know. Dorman, Motormite, Help, whatever you want to call the brand on these. But I do believe that's got some dust from the packaging on it that's got to come off. Yep. Alright, that last one kind of gave me the business getting it out of the package. Well, that was one heck of a tip. Thank you so much. I got all 3 of these shipped for like $10.50. So, it's new old stock. Rock Auto does carry these too, by the way. I just looked on eBay for the same part number, and this is what we wound up with. Anyway, super cool tip. I think that I was lining up the prices on LMR, and they were going to be about $60 for all 3 of those. So $10 to not say the name, I'll take it all day. I don't care. The name always wears off anyway. All right, that was a very cool tip. Thanks again. I appreciate you guys for watching. This was a shorty. Sometimes they're just going to be like this because I don't have time to put together a big video. We got boxes of stuff everywhere, and it's time to start working pretty soon here. It snowed again this week in Utah, or I would have been doing stuff yesterday. Thanks for watching. Peace out.